Hello. Let's learn how to use the nighttime image georeferencing platform, Lost at Night. The main objective of this application is to help georeference images taken by astronauts aboard the International Space Station, ISS. By aligning these images with precise geographical coordinates, you contribute to the creation of a global map of Earth's night lights. This map will help us measure and track light pollution, which supports scientific research on its environmental impact. To get started, you can register and create your own profile, where you can view your personal statistics and your position in the ranking of people who have georeferenced the most images. You can also play the application without registering, but you will not be able to access your own statistics. Once inside, you have two options to contribute. 1. Select Participate if you want to be assigned any batch of images. 2. Select Batches if you want to contribute specific batches. The work area is divided into three main parts. 1. The image on the left. This is the image taken from space, and this is where you will place your reference points. Sometimes the images can be up to 500 kilometers away from the position where it is centered. 2. The image in the center. This is the reference image. 3. The navigation panel on the right. In the panel on the right, you will find detailed information about the image, such as the date it was taken, the center point of the photo, and whether the center was calculated by machine learning or based on a space station. There is also a Help button and a shortcut to your profile. In the center image, you also have several map controls available. Zoom in and zoom out. A panel where you can select the type of map layer to be displayed, such as OpenStreetMaps, Mapbox, or Satellite. Below these selections, you can play with the opacity of two additional layers. The VIIRS map, which is a brightness map. The SDGSAT layer, which only works in Europe. It is important to note that the SDGSAT layer offers much greater clarity and detail than the VIIRS layer. You can adjust the opacity of these layers to better locate yourself. The main objective is to mark between 3 and 9 points, or more, matching both images to locate them in relation to each other without exceeding 20 points. To manipulate the image and mark the points, use the following controls. To zoom, use the mouse wheel. To rotate the image, hold down the right click. To move the image, hold down the left click. To mark points, left click. You must move the image on the left until you find similarities with the reference image. Once you locate a clear feature, such as this gap connecting to the sea, mark the point first on the image on the left and then on the one on the right. You can view the information for the marked points in the navigation panel on the right and delete them if you are not satisfied. Remember that the greater the distance between the points, the better the results you will obtain. Keep in mind that in some images, the points of light may not match if there are years between the shots. When you are satisfied with your locations, click on Try to see the superimposed image. If the superimposition is correct, click on Submit, and a new image will be loaded. If the current image is too difficult, you can use Skip to upload another one. Once you are finished, you can explore your profile, customize it, and review your contribution statistics. If you have any questions, you can contact the Lost at Night team via the contact form on the website. We look forward to your participation.